Hi, I'm U.S. Weather Analysis Dan Fleck around your Thursday afternoon around your 1 o'clock p.m. weather map discussion. And the most interesting part today out of all the regions is going to be this upper Midwestern region. We saw a lot of snow last night into this morning, still a lot falling across the Colorado mountains. Rumor has it the higher elevations actually picked up somewhere of 30 to 40 inches of snow. That's common for the upper elevational areas of the mountains out there, but pretty impressive stuff. And as you can see on radar, though, folks, that this system here, or this swath of snow, is not just diminishing. It's going to continue to hammer through another 12 to 24 hours through this area with maybe another 12 inches of snow, another foot. So definitely one from what we're seeing here. It's a pretty violent storm, but definitely one that is common for this time of the year when you have cold air and warm air masses coming in. I mean, you have the cold air coming, the warm air trying to hold its ground, and that's where you can get a lot of thunderstorms and some very exceptionally impressive snowstorms. But if you go into the eastern or the southeastern side of that low pressure, you can see there's a lot of storms, a lot of rain, flash flooding, really a big issue across here. This is actually this one, or this band here. This actually came up from the Gulf. Okay, so we had our flash flood warnings and watches down around the Gulf, which I talked about in my last video yesterday, and now that has moved up into the storm. Then you have this line here, and this one formed kind of with the storm. And what this outer band here is this kind of with just with the storm's strong inflow and rotation, this band here kind of hooked onto it, so just making this storm look really impressive with not just one band but two bands, and plus the exceptionally impressive snowstorm to the western side of that storm. So again, people stay cautioned with this event. It's going to be pretty bad. Another 12, 24 hours through. This storm is then going to move to the northeast. I do think that this storm down here, or it's going to either form off this one or this one, there's going to be a low pressure system that forms and starts to head toward the mid-Atlantic and northeast. So we're thinking around Saturday, Sunday, another storm system moves into around the mid-Atlantic and northeastern region. More rain is going to come from this, but there might be, given the structure of the storm, there might be an area in the western part of that storm that can actually see some ice or snow pellets from the storm that branches off of this system here. But right now we just need to focus on this system, and I think by Friday, Saturday, we'll start looking toward that one system that kind of forms off the stationary to see if we get or how bad if we do get this storm toward the mid-Atlantic and northeast. I talked about again yesterday how a lot of rain fell. It flooded a few areas, more roadsides, small streams and creeks around the northeast. And with another system coming in Sunday, I think things might have been able to saturate through that 3-day time period window, but given how the intensity of it looks, it could just bring back those areas another memory of some flooding once again. And just given, as we continue to go through the weeks of fall into winter, the leaves and more leaves are falling off the trees, so roadways and a lot of that is going to kind of make it more prone, even if you got less than what you got in the other storms. So there's a lot to be played out. Fall time is a pretty interesting time. Comes with a lot of mystery and a lot of misery. So I'm going to hold it at that and talk to you guys on Friday.